Hey everyone, Mark here from Visual Pro Detailing. Today we have got a Mustang GT here that is getting a relatively simple service. We're going to be doing an entry-level ceramic coating, a light interior detail, and this car came in and it's pretty dirty, it's pretty contaminated. We are going to do a rinse-free wash since it is way beyond freezing outside. There's no way to wash outside. And then we're going to decontaminate it. We're going to do a light machine polishing, and you're going to see the difference in a light machine polishing. I did a little bit of a walk around video here, and it kind of describes what a light polishing is going to do whenever you see the before and the after. It's not going to seek to remove every single scratch, swirl, mark, or defect. It is going to amp up the gloss, the reflections, and it's going to make this car shiny again before we add our entry-level ceramic coating. We're also going to do a light interior detail. Now, a light interior detail is where we're doing a really thorough vacuum, wiping down all the hard surfaces, cleaning the glass, wiping down the door jambs. It's not a Q-tip and toothpick thing, but it can still make an incredible difference in a vehicle whenever it's done right and whenever it's done thoroughly. So let's get into this detail and kind of showcase what goes into an entry-level coating package. We're going to start washing the Mustang GT. We've got some Optimum No Rinse here. We've got a clean plush auto fiber microfiber towel, and then we've got an auto fiber good not drying towel that's going to help us to dry it while we're doing the rinseless wash process. I'm not looking for absolute perfection out of the rinseless wash. I'm looking to get it nice and clean so that we can clay it and then start polishing. So let's get started with it. Mustang GT that starts about 121,000 miles on it. It's not perfect. Someone has plastic hit the wheels at some point, and the wheels really need refinished or replaced. But overall, it's in really great shape. Entry-level coating, we managed to get it clean, decontaminated, polished, brought the gloss back to it. We put a nice entry-level ceramic coating. Eon Can Coat Pro was what we applied to this car, and it is a fantastic day and night difference. So even if you have an older vehicle and it's got some miles on it, there are ways to get that slick, glossy look back without breaking the bank. We love ceramic coating vehicles and reconditioning vehicles. It's one of our passions and joys, is to see the before and after. We can do perfection, but a lot of times people don't want to pay for perfection because, you know, it is an older vehicle. It's going to be daily driven. It's not worth it to chase every single little swirl and scratch. Instead, sometimes we can do a whole lot better for a whole lot less money than people imagine, and it gets a great result that makes the customer happy, and that's what makes us happy. You all have a great day.